How to make money using Canva in 2023. In this video, we'll talk about how to make money using Canva. Canva is a graphic design and publishing tool that lets you make logos, posters, social media posts, GIFs, and more. Canva is a lifesaver for non-designers and newbies wishing to create beautiful and eye-catching visuals quickly and easily, thanks to its thousands of themes and pictures. If you've been using Canva for a long and want to make money with it, you've come to the correct video since I've already done the research for you. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. How to make money using Canva. 1. Use Canva to make products. Canva allows you to make money by selling customized items such as t-shirts and mugs. You can use Canva to develop unique and engaging design concepts for use on a variety of customized products. You'll have no trouble selling your designs because apparel is such an important part of today's marketing and promotional operations. Several sports teams and social media influencers utilize personalized products to deepen their bonds with their fans. People purchase customized coffee and photo mugs for brand marketing, giving, giveaways, and personal usage. On the other hand, you may use these mug designs to showcase your artistic and creative abilities and start earning money with Canva. 2. Ebooks are another option. You may write an ebook and sell it using Canva if you want to share your knowledge, experience, and skills with people all over the world. You may increase your sales by designing engaging book covers. Canva makes it easy to produce and sell comic books and picture books on a variety of platforms, including Amazon's Kindle, which is a great location to sell ebooks. 3. Stickers. Stickers are one of the most effective marketing tools accessible today. Nothing beats promotional stickers for advertising since they can be used in a variety of ways and in a variety of locations. Stickers are typically meant to catch people's attention right away and send a powerful message in a manner that other marketing materials can't. You may make a lot of money by creating numerous sticker templates for Christmas, Halloween, safety, computers, and vehicles on Canva. 4. Art on the wall. Wall art is a style of art that may be traced back to the dawn of time. With the passage of time, this art form has experienced significant expansion and evolution. Gone are the days when marketing efforts were dominated by drab and repetitive slogans. Canva allows you to create crisp and striking wall art and poster designs. Find your target market, come up with memorable quotes, and produce eye-catching wall art. 5. Calendars and planners on the computer. Digital planners are not printed, and they remain in the digital realm. They work with an iPad and an Apple Pen, making them perfect for people who want to plan but don't want to carry a bulky binder or waste paper with them. You may create digital plans and calendars with the aid of Canva to help society become more organized. Making a planner has the advantage of allowing you to choose from a variety of topics, ranging from daily to-do lists to financial planners, event planning, and family activities. 6. Signs in the yard. Canva may also be used to generate money by producing yard signage. Yard signs may be seen everywhere, from political campaigns and ballot initiatives to construction businesses and fundraisers. It's a well-liked, low-cost, and effective marketing tool that may be used for a variety of occasions and enterprises. 7. Patterns in the digital world. Making patterns is therapeutic, similar to fitting all the parts of a beautiful puzzle together. Whether you're producing mood boards, garments, digital vision boards, wallpapers, Instagram puzzle grids, skateboards, or even birthday cards, digital patterns add a unique touch to your projects. These designs can be purchased as digital downloads or offered on stock exchanges. It's a piece of cake to make money by designing these patterns on Canva and selling them. 8. Magnet made of lead. Lead magnets serve as the foundation for a company's or business's advertising initiatives. If you've ever managed a campaign like this, you're definitely aware of how important they are and why they are required. Lead magnets are in high demand, and not everyone has the necessary skills to create them. This is where you can pitch in and assist. Canva allows you to create a variety of templates that can assist your clients in expanding their email lists and attracting new consumers. 9. Content for social media. We now live in the social media era. As the globe has become a global village, most items are just a click away. You may assist influencers and businesses in attracting a new audience and increasing views on their work by creating social media graphics. Canva provides size templates for almost every social media platform imaginable. Businesses may use social media material to promote their products to a wide range of demographics, which can help them increase sales. This material is essential because it allows your customers to reach millions of individuals all around the world. Finally, Canva is a fantastic tool that requires no technical knowledge and can be learned in a matter of days. It's a terrific way to make templates, images, and designs for your items and sell them. Just keep in mind that you cannot use Canva's graphic templates to create an infographic and then resell it. This is illegal and infringes on Canva's copyright. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.